Because it smells good actually. Order ka na nga. That's the squid, and then they're putting it there.
Ay, ikaw na din. So good.
What?
You want some squid, Baba? This is so good.
You wanna try too, Bella? It's actually good. Bigyan mo si Bella.
Kaya you wanna try? You like chicken?
It's actually good.
Did you have fun today? Did you have a lot of fun? What's the best ride? The monkey? Ano pa nagsasabi mo? Hindi kita maintindihan ko. The ghost one? Dolls? Wow! Do you like it? Show mommy, please. Bella, can you show me? Daddy, may sinasabi siya. Pansinin mo na siya para ano.
Wah! Ba't ganyan
What
mag-walk
is
si ate? Ate talaga yun.
Oh, this is like egg soup.
Oh. Wait, noodles natin.
The bubbles come here, Daddy.
What is that? Okay.
Dito na siya.
This is like sour.
Really?
Lang yun di sa do, di ba?
Mm-mm.
How did that come here?
Baka tumapon. Hindi pa naman. Pilin, kain na. Here.
This is good. Parang pang may sakit siya. This is like pag may sakit ka. Do you know what's in here? Baka mamaya kung ano nung
Oo, ang dahil bumibili niya, no, Sean?
See? See to?
Ba't tumatawa si Sean? Parang hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo.
See? See?
No.
What did you have?
Ano yung straw?
Magkano yan? Patingin.
Daddy, nasa na
Mukha siyang walang
20,
lasa.
25.
Mukha siyang walang lasa. Uy, ang mura naman.
straw?
Doon na lang tayo kumain sa susunod.
So, hello guys, we went to Hong Kong Disneyland. First, we do at Hong Kong. We first ride the Elsa ride, and it was so scary and so super scary. And then the third, we ride it rains to the Hong Kong, and then I just like ride the pool one, and then the
Oh.
we ride the Iron Man. My daddy was so scared. And then this my ate was also lying to my daddy. He
Your ate
wasn't
was lying to your daddy?
Yeah, because my daddy said Iron Man, but my ate said so scary. It was roller
Coaster. Roller coaster.
It was a roller coaster, and then the roller coaster is so much dark. I gotta see it. And then the third one, we just like rest first on a little bit, and then we eat some olive ice cream. And then at night we watch the fireworks, and then we ride a 3% of bus. And then to go home, there's lock edX, but we can go home now. So that's it. That was
Hey, you forgot to tell them about the monkey and
yes.
what else? Jasmine, Princess Jasmine.
And then don't forget Moana.
Yeah, and Moana. What can you say about the
And,
monkey ride?
and then the monkey. I say the monkey to don't touch the treasure, because the princess will be a black princess and then scary. But the monkey did it, so the princess be black, so scary. And then we just like ride a boat and watch Moana. The Moana said, clap your hands like, just clap your hands so very, so loud. Even just watch her, even just like to watch a boat. The boat was firing, but I did not. But the boat was flashing on the way. Flash all the day.
Tama nga siguro.
And then that's what we did. We rest a little bit.
Yung 7-Eleven.
And
kaya
then-
nababad trip ko eh. Sumasa?
And then we just eat, and then we rest a little bit. We go back there. My daddy was so scary to the rides. I was so scary because to the honor it had falling trick.
It had a falling trick.
But this is not I planned. Okay, so this is our room hotel. 2 beds, please. And then I keep on doing everything, so my dad is here, so annoyed.
So noisy.
So this is my auntie eating chopsticks.